Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Fookoo HD 10-inch wireless backup camera system. There are key features include larger 10-inch screen with HD images, R1080p monitor with 1920x1080 resolution views high-definition images. The big 10-inch screen will show you more details to make your trip safer and happier. With the assistance of parking lines, parking or reversing becomes easily. The size of the monitor is 9.88 x 6.46 inch, without bracket. Split screen and loop recording. You can switch to a dual, quad split screen and view images from different cameras at the same time to reduce blind spots. The system can record and save what is displayed on the screen. With loop recording, the system automatically overwrites the previous video when the SD card is full. You don't have to delete them by yourself. Advanced digital wireless signal tech. The system has a stable digital signal technology that works up to 128 feet in open areas and is enough for any large vehicles. Even at speeds up to 102 mph, the monitor will show you what's going on around you in real time, making your driving easier. No interference, flicker, blur or delay. Waterproof cameras with night vision. The IP69 waterproof camera works perfectly in any extreme weather. With 18 infrared lights, the camera will give you a high-definition view of the night. The camera lens can be adjusted up and down, allowing you to view from different angles. The hard metal case allows the camera to be used for a longer period of time. It can work with ferro and pre-wired RV. Please ask us for the bracket adapter. Easy to install. It is suitable for DC 12 to 24 volt voltage range of all kinds of large vehicles, such as RV, truck, camper, fifth-wheel trailer, bus, van, farm machinery. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.